In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit crypto in stake.com without using Binance. If you're looking for alternative ways to fund your account, this guide is perfect for you. Whether Binance is unavailable or you prefer other platforms, you'll learn how to do it smoothly. Let's get started. First, go to stake.com and click Login at the top right corner. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid phishing. Then input your login details and click Sign In. You'll be redirected to your dashboard once authenticated. Next, click Wallet on the top menu and select Deposit. This will bring up your deposit options. After that, you can either copy the generated wallet address or choose to deposit directly from an external wallet. Make sure the crypto network you're using matches Stake's supported network. Aside from Binance, choose Crypto.com or other trusted platforms like Crypto.com or KuCoin to send your crypto. Just paste Stake's wallet address into your sending platform and confirm the transaction. And that's how you deposit crypto in Stake without using Binance. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!